So what's up, guys? I'm back again. I got an unboxing video, something I ordered from Hong Kong. It took about 2 weeks to get here, but going in a new direction. I'll give you guys a clue what it is. I got my calipers out and my trusty pocket knife from my daughter here. So let's get this guy open and see what it's saying. So I already kind of started it, but I didn't finish. That's my daughter screaming in the background. And it's a new direction I'm going with my watches and my collection here. And it's actually the first time I bought one of these guys in a long time. So it's well bubble wrapped. It's a Casio watch. Now, as you know, I already own a Casio Pathfinder, and this is not a Pathfinder. My Pathfinder is a solar powered titanium watch, but this is Casio Edifice. I'm not familiar with Casio. I'm not sure how they do their brands, but this is the model number of this watch, the EFR527L-7A VUDF, and we got a little stuff in the box there. It's all in different language, so that's kind of interesting. I don't believe that they recycle in China. Wow, didn't think that was a thing. Anyway, so I wanted a Panda face watch to sort of replace my Caliber 2100, and I was looking for a smaller Panda face, and I finally managed to track one down. And this is set to be measured at 39 to 40 milliliter, but it's the only Panda face I could have gotten. And okay, it's covered with plastic. I was about to say it's very dull looking. So let's get this plastic wrap off of that. It's also a quartz watch, and it's battery powered. So it's the first battery powered watch I've bought in a long time. So let's get this out. Put that to the side. Casio always supplies very good module number booklets for the watches. So this is the module number for this watch. It's very lightweight. That's the thing about quartz watches versus a mechanical watch. Now I have my Mega Speedy there, which is probably like, I think it's twice the weight of this watch, even though it's slightly bigger. But that's the size I was looking for. Let's measure it up, because there's a lot of mystery on the size of this watch here. So let's just measure it. It is 39.7, so it's shy below 40 milliliters. And I think the lugs in this is about 20, because I already ordered some bracelets for it, because I'm not digging the leather strap. It's about 20 for the lug width there. And the thickness, I know this is a thickish watch, 11.7 for thickness. Focus my camera on there. And it's a ticker, it's a quartz, so it's battery powered watch. It's also highly waterproof. I wanted a waterproof watch. More waterproof than my mechanical watches, and quartz are much better for water resistance. Let's put this on. So it's about 39. I wanted a sub 40 Panda face watch, and I think I got that with this. But first impressions, I like it. You know, it's a ticker. It's a quartz watch. I've been wearing Citizens Eco Drives and my mechanical watches from Orient, Seiko, and Omega, as they say in other countries. But I wanted a quartz watch, simple quartz watch for every day. And I wanted a Panda face dial. My Caliber 2100 was kind of chunky and big for everyday use. And I wanted something simple, elegant. And I also wanted it to be below 40 milliliters. And this is just a shy below 40. And it's beautiful. I like it. And as you guys know, I recently sold my Tissot Leloc watch, and I bought a couple of other watches that are coming in. So this is one of the watches I bought off of my Tissot Leloc sale. And this watch only cost me $80 on eBay. And I bought it from a seller. He only sells it out of Hong Kong. I think it's the only seller on the planet that sells this particular watch here. So very happy with my purchase. I wanted a simple Panda face dial. Not another leather strap. I wanted maybe a metal strap, but I'm actually really liking this strap, guys. This is a really nice strap. It's a cheap strap. It's a cheap watch. It feels cheap, but it looks really good, and that's exactly what I wanted. That's my wife and my daughter arguing in the background there. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wear this for a couple of days and come back and do a video review on my first quartz battery powered watch. And the battery on these watches, I think this one is said, according to, I already did a bit of Googling on this watch. It's, I think, 2 years and then you need a new battery, or I think it's something like 27 months. 27 months or 2 years and then you need a new battery. And let's just check the chrono functions out really quick. And there's not a lot of reviews in this watch online. So I guess the 6 o'clock sub dial is the ticking for the chronograph seconds. Sorry, I'm trying to get a... I can't capture that. But you know, I'm going to come back and do a video review on that. So the sub dial here is just ticking away for 60 seconds on the chronograph. And I guess hitting that button stops it, and then hitting this resets that back to 0. And I believe this is a 60-minute chronograph, 60 seconds there, and it's a 24-hour timekeeping dial, as well as the main dial, and the main hand there is a second keeping hand. So it's a ticker. It's not a sweep-in movement. I'm so spoiled. I have my Omega, but I kind of, it's my Grail watch that I wear every day. I've been wearing this every day since I sold both my Citizen watches, but I wanted something Panda Face. I miss it. And I'm actually going to get a Panda Face Omega. The Omega Panda Face Speedmaster is what I want. But that's a $3 grand watch. It's going to take me a while to get that. Alright guys, more coming. Bye.